This is a great oil and water routine that can be found in Joshua J's Talk About Tricks Volume 1. In fact, I think it's the first trick they do on there. It's going to use the jacks and the aces. We're going to try something with them. We're going to go ahead, we'll take the jacks and we'll interlace them amongst the aces. All we have to do is wait a couple seconds and everything happens wrong in the trick. We'll go for that another go. I messed that up. That was an accident. Obviously. We'll try that again. We'll leave the jacks there. And we'll try something. We'll take the jacks. Let me just make sure that's exactly what I did wrong. Okay, so we're going to interlace all these cards amongst the others. Aces amongst the other cards. Wait a second. And everything sorts itself out. Look, I'll do that again for you because a lot of people think I'm cheating. Aces and jacks. We'll go ahead and we'll interlace the aces amongst the jacks. Now this is the point when a lot of people say I've done something funny, but in reality you can see they're obviously actually mixed. I haven't done anything funny yet. Yet is the key word. Because if you watch closely, all we have to do is snap and wait a second, and everything spreads back out. Aces and jacks. Now, you think I'm doing something funny. I'll do that one more time for you, a little more visually. We're going to use the 1, 2, 3, 4 jacks. Leave the aces on the table. Watch closely. Watch the jacks. We're going to try something with them. You're going to see them visually and quickly turn into the 1, 2, 3, 4 aces, leaving us with the jacks on the table. So there's a quick oil and water along with a 4-4 transpo. Let's go over that. First one is called Easy Transpo. All it is a very simple switch. What you need to do is have the jacks on the bottom. I messed this up, eh? This is the easiest part of the trick too. Alternating in color. Okay? Get a break under the second to last one. Pick up here. This is why you have the alternating color, so there's no discrepancy, or well, there is a discrepancy, but it's less of one. Turn over the bottom 2 cards, followed by everything else. Deal off the top 4 cards, and then reverse spread them. Okay? That's what I forgot to do, was reverse spread. Now these are going to deal from the left to the right. Fairly interlace them. You can flash the aces there. The last 2. Square up. And you've got your oil and water. Second one is very fair. This is Ed Marlowe's. It's quite cool. You're going to go like this, and you're going to fairly and actually interlace them amongst each other. They actually do get interlaced. Now what you're going to do is you're going to basically strip them out, but it's going to seem as if you weren't stripping them out at all. Looks like they're... It looks quite magical. I don't do it well, might I add. I don't do this trick at all. So anyways, here's what's happening. You're going to down jog that card as you up jog the ace, but jog it to the right, close to your hand. That actually, underneath, allows you to slip this jack into the other one, but it still looks like everything's laced together. This hand then jogs upwards the ace, and that one goes in behind. As this jack comes down, you can feel a click as it clears the ace, and it goes in line with the other jacks. This ace moves forwards, pulls to the side a little. As this jack moves down, feel the click, and then move back up. Basically what you've done is created 2 separate fans of the cards, but they look like they're interlaced. Okay? So I'll do that again. Down jog here to the right. You'll feel the click of that jack. Up. Click. Up. Click. Wait, there's the click. Up. Square. Together. And they separate again. This is really just a 4/4 transpo, this next part, but it's cool. Nice way to follow it up. Turn over the aces in your hand. Jacks stay on top. You're going to turn them over 1, 2, 3, and on the third one, you're going to switch the two packets as if you were just stripping off the last jack. So you've actually switched the jacks for a packet of 5. Now drop it and turn over that top jack. Now you're going to do a whatchamacallit count. I can't remember the name. You all know it though. Sorry if I can't remember right now. Elmsley count. You're not actually going to use it. It's to show four cards, but when you've really got 5. What it actually does is allows you to get a break under your top 2 cards without doing anything funny. So do your Elmsley count. On this card, hold a break underneath it, and then turn over that one. Now you're going to change your positioning to here. What you've done is created a double facer with this hand. You get a break underneath it, pick up everything under the break, and put it onto the bottom. You say, watch the jacks. Now what's going to happen is this hand's going to drop, and the cards fall off its fingers, giving you a change there, as these cards fall off these fingers. Okay, so boom, and boom. At full speed, that looks like this. And these are the jacks. Just got to drop that ace on the first ace on top, and you're good. And so there's a quick explanation. Sorry about not going too into detail of a nice oil and water routine found in Joshua J's Talk About Tricks Volume 1.